How to get complimentary airport lounge access with your HDFC debit card. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. To enjoy this perk, you need to spend a minimum of 5,000 rupees in a calendar quarter using your HDFC debit card. This can be in a single transaction or multiple purchases online or in-store. Note that cash withdrawals and wallet payments like GPay or Paytm do not count. HDFC Bank has partnered with selected lounge across India. Some popular locations include Bangalore BLR Domestic Lounge, Mumbai Adani Lounge Domestic and Loyalty Lounge International, Delhi Income Lounge Domestic and International, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata Travel Club and Income Lounges. Wondering if you qualify? HDFC updates your spending status by the 10th of each quarter. You can check your eligibility anytime via the HDFC website or mobile app. At the lounge entrance, simply swipe your HDFC debit card. A small authentication fee of rupees 2 to 5 may be deducted. If eligible, you are in. Enjoy free snacks, drinks, Wi-Fi and comfortable setting. Now you know how to get VIP treatment at the airport with your HDFC debit card.